How do people fall in love? Now, there's obviously still room for people to discover the biochemistry behind the mystery of love, but a lot of it has been documented, and they've done studies that have paired different monogamous animal species and checked those receptors and the neurochemicals and transmitters and how they parallel the same hormones in human structures, right? Now, when you take it to that, this is just the core, the limbic system and the response of how we interact at the most base level. Men and women fall in love differently, right? At the initial stage where there's lust, there's a high predominance of testosterone and estrogen, right? Then norepinephrine, serotonin, and dopamine drive a lot of the attraction phase after that initial lust, right? The sexual arousal, etc. And then finally, towards the end, there's oxytocin, which is more predominant in women, right? When women are attracted or into a man, their oxytocin goes up 51%. It's called the love hormone, etc. We'll talk more about oxytocin later. But for men, vasopressin is important. So a lot of you have been asking about how to increase vasopressin in men, because I've said that dopamine and vasopressin and testosterone are very important in a man's ability to fall in love with a woman. The first thing to note is that there are different processes and pathways and predominance of chemicals in terms of how men and women fall in love. So if you're interested, follow my account and we'll be talking about how to make love work.